people, today we are reviewing a Minecraft furniture mod called Decocraft that is based on Minecraft 1.12. This is an old version of Minecraft in 2020. However, the mod is really good, and you will never find another one ever which has so much stuff in it. This mod is not just for decorations. You can interact with some of the items. Let me demonstrate. If I remove this and I press and see, you can open the safe and close it. Same goes for the other two there. If you go down here, you can sit down like that. You do left shift to leave, and then for example here in the sauna, you can just sit down and rest and stuff. So like, it's pretty good. Look at these beds, look at these decorations, bookshelves, interactive, so like you can open, close them, you can put stuff inside some of them, and so on. There's useful decorations like this. Who wouldn't want a watch like that? You can make these open like that, so that's cool. I don't know what this is. Have you ever wished to have a stylish door, window, stylish decorations for the house? This is all here. By the way, I'll leave a link to this mod in the description below with a link to the video that gives you a tutorial on how to set up this mod. I tried to put as many blocks down as possible, but it was so time consuming that I think I'd rather show it in a video instead of having to place all blocks down and then record the video. Anyways, this mod contains some of the stuff you would really want if you do cosplay videos, or you just want to build a world that expands on Minecraft. If you do trolling videos, I guess you should use the creepy items to scare your friends or something. Let me show you what I mean. Like, if you go here, who wouldn't freak out of this? Imagine you're just walking into your room and then you find this and you go like, what is this? There's more stuff to this. Do you enjoy Christmas or Halloween? Well, now you can enjoy it properly in Minecraft too. Because if I go down to here and see, we got pumpkin 2, pumpkin 3, like you got decorations and stuff here. And then you got gravestones and you got fall wreath. And then you go down and you go like Christmas wreaths and then Christmas presents and stuff. So yeah, that's pretty good. Are you a builder in Minecraft? Well, now you can build restaurants, dungeons, and hotels much easier. Now, I think you guys might already know. If we go down to props in living room, there's so many tables here and decorations, so like you can build offices and stuff and hotels. And then if you go back, you can see props in kitchens, cooking equipment and stuff like that. This is not just cooking equipment, you have bathrooms as well. You got bedrooms, and like that's a ton of stuff. Like you got food props, you got literally everything that you'd have in your house. If I search here, Switch, look at the Nintendo Switch. That looks so cool, right? There's a bunch of dolls if you're interested. For example, if we go down here, there's a bunch of decorations. In a way that looks creepy, but hey, it's an item. You can decorate cities to look realistic. There's so many items to explore, so go check them out. This kinda sounds like an ad, but seriously, it's not. I'm actually sharing my true thoughts on this, because like, this is so impressive. Like, how would someone build something like this? I'm just hoping there would be an update so this mod would work on the latest version of Minecraft, because, you know, who wouldn't want this to be on the latest version of Minecraft? Well, that's all for today. Go subscribe, like, and comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.